Right, quick video guys on how to get our mosaic flat. We don't want it to look like this, so let's sort it out. First step, get some appropriate size backerboard and cut it to size. I'm using 6mm here. Second step, cut out any holes or notches and dry fit it in your gap. Third step, test your mosaic. You want it to be sitting a little bit back, allowing for adhesive for the board and mosaic. Now you can go ahead and cut the rest of your boards to size. I use my angle grinder here for cutting out any holes. Fourth step, using the appropriate size trowel, I use a 6mm here, spread adhesive on the wall and fix your backerboard. Final step, using a notch trowel, spread the backerboard and then you can start fixing your mosaic. Make sure you use a small trowel here because you don't want the adhesive coming through the mosaic. I use a 6mm trowel again. Then you can place your mosaic into place and then always use your grout float just to get it nice and flat. And that sits really nice and flush now. And that is my guide to getting a perfect finish when working with mosaic, especially when putting it between tiles or using mosaic as a border. The worst thing is when mosaic's all crinkly and all over the place. So yeah, just taking a bit of time here to prep to get it all nice and flat. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.